The law of self-awareness. Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate. That's Carl Jung, one of the most famous modern philosophers, psychologists, therapists. The transformation principle here is that you can't transform what you don't bring into light, what you don't face the truth about, what you don't look yourself in the mirror about. If you want to grow, that growth will require you becoming aware of your limiting beliefs, your mind viruses, your repetitive habits where you're playing small, you're playing safe, you're living in your comfort zone, and those patterns, the fears that are running those patterns, it's like a computer system that's just running on autopilot. They are silently governing your life. If you don't bring awareness to them, you can't one by one cut the weeds out, like these ugly, dirty weeds that are ruining the blossoming garden that you could be living in. So the law of self-awareness, what we do inside the mastermind is, as we're doing call reviews, and you've probably seen this on a lot of the role plays that are free on my YouTube, I will always unlock what it is that the closer has to change internally to have access to the power of knowing the right questions to ask, delivering the questions in the right way, having the courage to ask the uncomfortable, awkward questions. And that's the difference between a mentor and a course or even a coach. A mentor learns you. They start to understand you, and they can see where you just don't have awareness. You have blind spots. I wouldn't be where I am today if I didn't have my mentor showing me my blind spots, and he still does today. 5 years on, why do you think I still work with a mentor? Because I know the law of self-awareness is, until I make conscious the things that are unconscious patterns inside of me, they'll control me. They'll limit me. They'll govern me. No, I don't mean govern as in like a good thing. I mean, they're the governors. They are limiters, like on an engine. If you have a governor, you can't max out the horsepower of that vehicle. I want to max out myself. And I know, even though I'm nowhere near there yet, the way to do that is to make things conscious. And you can't make something conscious, as the saying goes. You don't know what you don't know. So the law of self-awareness is to what do they call it? To externalize the action of making something self-aware. You have to bring it outside of you, and that's what a mentor does. Their job is very rarely to teach you things. It's to shine light on things like a torch, and then you go, oh shit, I didn't realize that's been holding me back for as long as it has. Now, right now, you're on the outside of the mastermind, so you don't have access to mentorship. There will be things that you are self-aware of that you keep repressing. You keep digging them down into the hole where you don't have to look at them, bury them under the bed. Those are the things that are controlling you. Just because you, like they say, out of sight, out of mind, might be out of mind, but it's not out of controlling you. You have to bring those things up, you have to excavate them, and you have to solve at least a few of them until you can get a mentor to help you with the deeper ones. So I'll give you a very simple example. One of the things that is unconscious for most people, probably you, that is on the outside of the mastermind, is you're telling yourself some story of like, well, when I have a little bit more money, then I'll join the mastermind. Or when the timing's a little bit easier. Well, the thing that you need to bring from the unconscious to the conscious is, are those not the same things that your prospects say to you on calls? And either you don't really know how to handle them, you know how to handle them, but your voice dries up and your throat starts cracking like a pubescent fucking teenager. And that's because you've actually got a governor inside of you, which is like a self-limiter of not being too inauthentic in life. If you're gonna say something that's too authentic, you'll have like a Freudian slip or your voice will choke up. The reason that you bottle up and you don't say the thing you need to say on a sales call when you know what to say is actually a sign. It's a sign that, well, maybe you don't have authority over this thing yet, and that's why you can't speak it into existence. Words, going on a tangent here, are magic spells. They put things into existence. You don't have power to wave your wand and make the spell if you don't have the... gonna go on a big nerd out here. It's like the sword of Gryffindor in Harry Potter. It's like only the one that deserves and is noble and honorable can pull the sword of Gryffindor out the fucking hat. Super nerding out here. But anyway, we love it. So you have to realize that the things that you're struggling with yourself on a sales call, with your prospects, they are the same things that you haven't made conscious. And if you did make them conscious, you'd go, you know what? I can't solve that objection or challenge with my prospects because I'm not solving it myself. That's what making the unconscious conscious means, and that's how you solve it. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.